Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial we're actually drilling the holes on our PCB and we're placing our components so as to finish our PCB relay module. So without further ado, let's get started. So now we finished drilling our holes and we are ready for placing the components. Alright, so these are the components that we're gonna use. We're gonna need two LEDs, a 2N2222 transistor, two 220 ohms resistors, a 5 volts DC relay. It's actually a 5-pin relay, and two 3-pin terminals for attaching the wires, right? So right now let's fix these components on our PCB. Okay, so here is the final look of our PCB, and take care of the orientation of the transistor right here. So we put it just like this. The middle pin just goes in the back hole right here, and the two other pins on the other sides, and the LEDs as well. The long leg goes in the inner side, actually the positive one, and the shorter leg goes in the outside to the ground for both of the two LEDs. So right now what I'm gonna want to do is just solder all the components to our board. Okay, so here's the final look of our relay module PCB that we created after soldering. Now this is the final look of our PCB after applying some nail polish to the silk screen to protect it, and to the traces as well to insulate them and protect them. So that's it guys for this tutorial, and thanks a lot for watching.